In this video, I'm going to go over how to do problem number 6 on page 14. This is worksheet 7 in your packet number 2. Number 6 asks you to dilate QRS using the point S as the center of dilation and a scale factor of 2. Dilation with a scale factor of 2 means this shape is growing 2 times bigger than it originally was. How do we go about finding how to dilate about point S? Well, instead of getting 2 times further away from the origin as we dilate about the origin, we're going to get each point 2 times further away from our center, which is S. So Q needs to get 2 times further from S, and R needs to get 2 times further from S. So the first thing we need to do is find the distance from point S to, let's start with Q. S to Q, if I measure here, I get 1, 2, 3, 4. So from S to Q is 4. Now let's find the distance from S to R. If I look here from S to R, I notice that it's on a diagonal. And going through each square diagonally at a different point leaves us unable to determine how many units it is from S to R going the shortest distance diagonally. So we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do it another way. What we're going to do is go around. We're going to go up to Q and over to R. We already know that up to Q is 4. And if we count over here, we notice that that's 2. Now we can go ahead and calculate our new distances. Well, a scale factor of 2 means that we're going to multiply everything by 2. It's getting twice as big. So that makes sense. So SQ goes from 4 to 8. Instead of counting 4 up and 2 over, we multiply those by 2. We go 8 up and 4 over. Now we can go ahead and draw the new sides. S to Q from 4 to 5, 6, 7, 8. Our new Q prime will be at this point up here. Then, to find our R prime, we're going to go 8 up. Oh, we already did that. And then 4 over. So let's move this up here and count 1, 2, 3, 4. So our R prime is going to be over here. Now you can take your straight edge and your ruler, or if you're doing it on a computer program, move your lines. I'm going to use the magic of my growing triangle here, and your new triangle will look something like this. Now notice that since S is the center of dilation, it doesn't move. So you notice I left S prime over here. I'm going to move it, and it goes right on top of S here. That point doesn't change. Makes sense, right? S can't get 2 times further away from itself. So let's find our coordinates now. Q is 1 over, 2 up. So we are at 1, 2. R is 5 over and 2 up. And then S prime is the same as S. It's at 1, -6. And that's how you go about finding a dilation or performing a dilation, on a shape other than the origin.